a nightingale. My heart aches and a drowsy numbness pains my sense as though of hemlock I had drunk, or emptied some dull opiate to the dreams. 1 minute past and leftwards had sunk. 'Tis not through envy of thy happy lot, but being too happy in thine happiness, that thou, light-winged dryad of the trees, in some melodious plot of vision green and shadows numberless, singest of summer in full-throated ease. Oh, for a draught of vintage that hath been cooled long in the deep delta, tasting of flora and the country green, dance and Provencal song, and sunburnt mud, speaker full from south, full of the truth and blushful hypocrite, with beaded bubbles drinking at the brim, and purple stained mouth, that I might drink